We compared the products to each other to find out which one was best. There are many products available to choose baby toys, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best baby toys from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Smiley Mia Penguin Buddy Never Drop Silicone Teething Toys for Babies 0-6 month. Features: wearable and never drop, wear on baby's wrist. Baby's hand is still free, which is more comfortable than a mitten. Also no need to use a clip. Keep it from dropping and collecting dirt, hair. Teething pacifiers for 0-6 months sucking babies who refuses normal pacifiers. More than 1 million babies approved. Works as a boob teether and a pacifier for picky babies for soothing. Easy to hold hand teether. There is a stem inside the hollow reindeer body for the little hand to grasp. The ears are on both sides. When the baby hold it, can very easily to locate the nipple into the mouth. Elastic silicone helps relieve teething discomfort while baby nubbing and pulling the nipple part. Perfect replacement for finger sucking and chewing. Pediatrician recommended. Little hand is inside the penguin holding the stem, prevent baby sucking their own fingers. By bringing the product to mouth, helps with motor skill development. Helps with a good oral habit establishment. Easy to wash, made of BPA-free, food-grade silicone, dishwasher and freezer safe. Additional info. Color: light blue. Item dimensions: height 3.74, width 1.89, length 4.52, weight 0.14. Number 2. Sassy Stacks of Circles Stacking Ring Stem Learning Toy. Features: straight post accepts different sized rings, strengthening hand-eye coordination. Chunky rings make it easy for baby to grasp, strengthening fine motor skills. Each ring features a different texture and weight. Textural variety is great for mouthing. Colorful beads in the clear ring allowing baby to connect the sound to sight. 9-piece set. Manufacturer age 6 to 24 months. BPA free. Additional info. Color multi. Item dimensions: height 8, width 4.25, length 4.25. Number 3. BLOOBLOOMAX Wrist Rattles Foot Finder Rattle Sock Baby Toddler Toy. Features: cute design. All wrist rattles and foot finder socks have bells inside. The wrist rattles attach with simple Velcro, easy to put on and off. The ears of elephant and monkey were with sound paper. Encourage baby to reach and grab. Soft material, made of high-quality environmentally friendly fabric. Soft and safe for babies to use. Non-toxic and 100% safe for baby to play. It can be washed when get dirty. Always keep it clean. Early development. These colorful smiling cute animals and bugs will entice little baby to touch, grab and look at them. It will help to develop their hand, foot and eye coordination, strengthening color cognition, vision cognition, hearing development and voice development. Baby partner. Baby rattle set was suitable for 0-month up babies, boys or girls. The toys always keeps in hand. Baby will not lose them or throw them on the ground. Best toys for babies when they're in stroller, infant car seat, Mamaroo, bed, baby chair, baby carrier alone. Perfect baby gifts. Give these soft baby rattles toys as the perfect infant toy gift. Suitable for baby showers, baby sprinkle, sip and see gift, newborn baby gift, birthday gift, registry gift, Easter, Halloween, tea, Thanksgiving, Christmas, holiday gift, christening gift, just because a gift. Number 4. PRAGYM Baby Toys 6 to 12 months. Sensory and Montessori Toys for 1-year-old. Features: multi-play baby toys. This is a multi-sensory silicone baby toy. The cute octopus-shaped design is perfect for baby boys and girls 6-12, 12-18 months. The pull-string toddler toys have a variety of ways to play, such as pulling, pressing, pushing, etc. The Montessori toys for 1-year-old boy and girl give infants a lot of fun while creating and developing learning skills. Toddler pull-string toys. Baby toys have 6 strings of different textures and shapes that can be pulled from side to side. It can exercise baby's fine hand motor skills. Different textures not only provide a rich tactile experience, but also experience different difficulty and vibration sounds when pulling the rope. The baby toys 6 to 12 months are good cues to develop the sensory ability and finger movement ability. Silicone baby teething toys. This silicone teething toys are suitable for babies 6-12 and 12-18 months. It can relieve the discomfort of babies' teething gums and help babies develop chewing skills. The rope is made of high-quality 100% food-grade silicone, BPA-free, so there is no need to worry that it will hurt the baby. The baby can safely bite it. Sensory baby toys. Colorful flying octopus design for baby toys 6 to 12 months can attract baby's attention, and it is conducive to stimulating the baby's sensory development. The sensory toys for toddler 1-3 also adds pop fidget play, allowing the baby to have more sensory fun. And the Montessori toys for 1 year have raised texture and colored rings on both sides. Baby can touch it and play it. Perfect baby gifts. This baby octopus toy is lightweight and portable, can be played in crib, stroller, car seat, plain seat. Suitable as toddler travel toys, but also perfect for baby shower, Thanksgiving, Christmas, and any other gifting occasion for your baby, nephew, grandkids. It is a perfect 1-year-old baby girl and boy gift. Additional info. Color, multicolored. Item dimensions. Height, 9.8. Width, 5.3. Length, 4.7. Number 5. VTech Baby Lil Critters Musical Beads Amazon exclusive. Features. Cuddle and learn. This stuffed animal features a variety of fabric textures for baby tactile development. Cuddle up with the soft and cuddly stuffed animal cow. Perfect for play, an easy-to-grasp bead ring hangs around the talking cow toy. The bead ring has light-up buttons and a spinning square for fine motor skills development. A musical good time, the talking and singing baby cow stuffed animal comes with 30+ playful songs, melodies, sounds and phrases. Kids are sure to have a fun and musical time. Multiple uses. The stuffed animal's small size makes it a great crib toy or car toy. You can use the stuffed cow for tummy time or to keep learning alive on the go. Special features. This lil critter is intended for babies 0 to 24 months old. 2 AAA batteries included for demo purposes. Use new batteries for regular use. Additional info. Color, purple. Item dimensions. Height, 6.5. Width, 4.8. Length, 6.7. Weight, 0.75. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.